ako marunong kumarga.
Show your smile, please! Show your smile! Show your smile! Hello!
Ay, maganda pala ang GoPro.
Uy, totoo. Marami siyang followers. 1 million.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Venice
Abrodero.
Family. And
Nice guy.
Abrodero.
And we are in this place. The name is The Rocks. Yeah. And I'm still with John and Sherlyn and family and friends. There is actually a live singer on the street. Look at this pub, it's busy. Also on this side. Display lang? Display lang. Display lang. Meron po mga first day. Bye-bye, baby Venice. Bye-bye.
Bye, hindi nag-smile.
Sige, sa sunod ulit. Bye-bye. Okay, it is now already 8:30. And I'm going back to Nelson Bay now. Hey, this is the new central station. Yeah, it's newly... I mean, on the side, it is new. But still part of it is the old one. Yeah, like the concourse is still the same, the old one. I am supposed to meet a person because I am going to buy his GPS. Yeah, but I have just 10% of battery. And 10% is not enough. Maybe when I get to his place, I won't be able to contact him. Oh, I am still here in the train station. I just lost my credit card. Yeah. Not good. Yeah, so basically I used that credit card to ride the train from Circular Quay with John and the family. And then when I was about to get it to check out here in Central Station, that's when I realized that it's gone. What I remember is I put it in my pocket. Yeah. And so also my mobile phone is running out of battery, just 8%. Yeah. But I already reported it in the credit card company, in the bank. And they are going to cancel that. And they said the credit card replacement will arrive in 5 days. And you know, the call center that they speak to me is Filipina. I mean, yeah, she sounds like a Filipina. Yeah, the good thing is I still have other card with me. I mean, I have a debit card. So that debit card is what I'm going to use. Because I won't be able to use this because, yeah, running low. Also, what's connected with my phone is the credit card. Well, I lost the credit card.
Oh, the card?
Yeah, that's the one that I used to pay.
When did you lose it?
From Circular.
When?
Just now, maybe in 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
See,
Yeah.
like this, I might be able to check the register for you.
Yeah, thank you. Good evening. Yeah, I just want to report my lost credit card. Yeah. Maybe in 15 minutes, 15 minutes ago. I already canceled the card, but I also went to the station office. Yeah, just to report it. And they don't have any information yet because it's just 15 minutes ago. Thank you. And yeah, 6 minutes for my train to leave. I basically lost my credit card because this morning before leaving the house, I said that my wallet is very bulky to put in this pouch, and so I decided to bring only this: the Medicare, my license, my debit card, and the credit card. Okay, and I put it here. And I usually use my mobile phone to pay for the everything, but because my mobile phone is running out of battery, I decided to take my credit card from here and use it to pay. Yeah, and that's how it lost. Yeah, but there's no need to worry because it's already black. There's no more other passenger. According to the train operator, to the driver, there is a construction going on in the railway, and so we need to get down in one of the station and take the bus going to every station until we reach Newcastle. In my case, to reach Broadmeadow, and the car is there, and I'm going to drive going to Nelson Bay. This Morissette, this the last stop, and then transfer to the bus. And I am now here in the Broadmeadow. Okay, the car is still there. And still a lot of cars that is parked over here. And the travel time from here to Nelson Bay is about yeah, maybe 1.5 hours. And this is my breakfast. Oh, let me show you my video editing. You notice that? That is the audio, and then suddenly no audio. Yeah, that is the current problem I have with my GoPro Hero 9. And, I met Mr. Mike and he gave me this. Yeah. Anzac Park is parked in front of this like home for the aged. I'm going home first because he said there is food inside. Good morning, guys. It is already 7:30, and yeah, I'm going to do my laundry. Yesterday I went to meet Mr. Mike, and he gave me this heavy and big box. Yeah, he said not to leave this in the car because there is a food inside. Lots of Filipino food. There is this chiffy. Nice. Oh, this is a German Whopper. And my favorite is Skyflakes. And this banana ketchup. Yeah, banana ketchup. Very popular in the Philippines. And durian candy. Durian candy. This is going to be my very first time to have this. And pandan. This is like a cake. Pandan flavored layer cake. This is also my very first time to try this. And all-purpose sauce, Mang Tomas. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Mike. And the skyflakes. Yeah. The skyflakes very common. Thank you, Mr. Mike. And because I am now making a coffee, this is what I'm going to try. And I'm going to put it in a plate. So yeah, this is a cake. And this is my breakfast. It is now already 10:30. Yeah, I'm going to prepare my meal. And I have some of this old in the fridge. Bok choy. These are plates now. And these are rice noodles. Vermicelli rice noodles. This is how it is.
Outside is still
And
like
I'm
a
watching
twilight.
this. It is now almost 1 o'clock. And you'll notice that, yeah, these are the things that is coming from my Suzuki Jimny. Yeah, I cannot put it back to my bun because it's not really clean yet. And I'm going to work now. But yeah, I'm going to stay somewhere near the beach. And we are now here. Yeah, near the workplace. And I will be just sitting down here, or maybe get down to the beach area later while having this this pandan flavor layered cake. This coming from Mr. Mike. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is already 7:35, and last night I received this package. I mean, when I get home last night, this and the driveway. Yeah, let's unbox. Yeah, basically this is this. I am again buying things for the car, for the van. I am going to install it now. Where's towel? It is wet. Looks like there is a rain last night. I didn't notice. Okay, let's wipe this, dry this. Oh, I suddenly changed my mind of installing it right now. Maybe I should make it a tinted first. Yeah, I'm not going to install it today.